Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and I am your Spanish language teacher. Hola, muy buenos días mis estudiantes. Yo soy Asad Yaqub, profesor de español. Yo quiero hablar español contigo. Okay? Yes. So let's just take a start. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you around 10 phrases which are essential for you to survive in any Spanish speaking country. These are the survival phrases. Let's take a start. You got to repeat after me, look at my face, pronounce the phrases clearly, and you should write them in your native language. Whether it is English, Urdu, French, whatever your native language is, write these phrases down in your native language. Let's take a start. If you want to say, I speak a little Spanish, now you can say that after watching my first lesson. So you can say that I speak a little Spanish. For that you say hablo. Hablo with O means I speak. You don't need, in Spanish we've got the endings at the end of the verb, and that tells us about the pronoun, about the subject. So hablo means I speak. Habla means you speak. Hables is informal. Hablemos is let's speak. But anyways, I speak a little Spanish. Hablo un poco. Do it like that. Hablo un poco. Un poco means a little. De español, of Spanish. I speak a little of Spanish. Hablo un poco de español. Español. Hablo un poco de español. Okay. Next is, do you speak English? If you want to ask the next person, simply you can say, habla inglés. Now, habla means do you speak. Hablo means I speak. Habla means you speak. And you will raise the tone. Habla inglés. Otherwise, you want to say a longer one, then you can say, habla usted inglés. Habla usted inglés. That's right. Habla inglés. And if you want to say, does anyone speak English? You are in trouble, nobody understands you, and you want to say, does anybody speak English? You can have a medical emergency or any other emergency. For that you can say, hay alguien. I means is there. Alguien, somebody. Hay alguien. Alguien. That's right. Hay alguien que habla inglés. Is there anyone who speaks English? Hay alguien que hable inglés. Right? Does anyone speak English? Now, hable is for he, she, it. Habla is for you. Hablo is for I. See, I'm teaching you Spanish grammar as well. Next, if you want to say, do you understand? Do you understand? For that, simply you say, me entiende. Me entiende means do you understand me, and entiende means you understand. And when you say me entiende, it means do you understand me? The verb is actually complete. The verb tells you about the subject, and there isn't any helping verb in Spanish, so that's why me entiende. Me entiende. And if you want to say I don't understand, no entiendo. With I we usually use O. No entiendo. I don't understand. Me entiende? Do you understand me? Me entiende, señor? Do you understand me, sir? Yo entiendo mucho. I understand much. Yo entiendo español. I understand Spanish. Entiendo. I understand. Okay, good. Are you enjoying? I'm enjoying a lot. Next, if you want to say, I don't understand, no entiendo. Por favor, please, no entiendo, right? Or perdón, pardon, no entiendo, I don't understand, perdón. Perdón, no entiendo, pardon, I don't understand, perdón, no entiendo. Good. Let's go on. How do you pronounce this word? If you don't know how to pronounce a certain word in Spanish and you want to ask for the pronunciation, you might say, ¿Cómo se pronuncia esta palabra? Palabra is word. Palabra. ¿Cómo? How? Se pronuncia. Sorry, that's English. Okay, I'm reading English in Spanish style. ¿Cómo se pronuncia? Como se pronuncia? How do se means people, someone. How does someone pronounce? How do people pronounce, right? So, como se pronuncia esta, this, palabra, palabra, word, palabra. Repeat after me. Como se pronuncia esta palabra, palabra. Pronuncia is going to be pronuncia, cia in Spanish of Spain. Next, how do you write ciudad? Ciudad means city. How do you write? So, ¿cómo se escribe? ¿Cómo means how? Se means someone. How does someone write? ¿Cómo se escribe? Escribe. Escribe. ¿Cómo se escribe ciudad? ¿Cómo se escribe ciudad? How do we write city? ¿Cómo se escribe ciudad? Imagine, ¿cómo se escribe ciudad? And then, what does dash mean? If you don't understand and you want to ask, say, ¿qué significa? ¿Qué significa? Means, what does that word mean? ¿Qué significa? And then put the word. ¿Qué significa palabra? Right? Like that. And if you want to say, could you repeat that? For that, you can either say repita. Repita is order. It's a little impolite. For that, you can say, puedes repetir. Puedes repetir. Puedes repetir. Puedes mean can you. And it is for you, like, you know, tu, informal. Informal. Puedes. Puedes repetir. Puedes repetir. Can you repeat? Okay. Few more phrases before we finish this lesson. If you want to say could you, for that you say puedes. Puedes, for example, could you help me? Puedes ayudarme. Puedes ayudarme. Could you help me? Puedes escucharme. Could you hear me? Could you listen to me? Puedes escucharme. Puedes ayudarme. Like that. I know a lot of Spanish, by the way, okay? I'm so happy that I'm speaking Spanish after a long time. Next is please. For please, you say por favor. Escuche por favor. Listen, please. Alright. Venga aquí por favor. Come here please. Venga aquí por favor. Dígame por favor. Tell me please. Dígame. Dígame por favor. Tell me please. Okay. And then if you want to say speak more slowly. In the beginning somebody is speaking Spanish very fast. And by the way, Spanish people, they speak this language very fast. And you want to say speak more slowly. For that you say hablar más despacio. And if you want to add please, it's going to be hablar más despacio por favor. Hablar más despacio por favor. Hablar, speak más despacio, slowly, por favor, please. Speak slowly please, or speak slowly please. Hablar más despacio por favor. And if you want to say write it down, escribirlo. Lo means it. Write down is escribir and lo means it. Write it down. Escribirlo. Escribirlo. What are you looking at me? I'm saying write down your lesson. Escribirlo. Escribirlo. Las palabras en español. Write the words down. Escribir las palabras en español. Write the words down in Spanish. Mis estudiantes, my students. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? So these are the words which you need for survival. Okay? And once you learn more phrases, more words, definitely your Spanish is going to be fantastic. If you guys want me to make more videos on Spanish, please comment and request that Asad, please make more videos on Spanish, in Spanish language, and I'll do that. I've got this little book and I'll make some useful videos for you. Quick videos without any grammar, without any other trouble. You can learn the language directly. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.